I made it back home. I didn't film inside of Marshall's because I don't know, I just didn't. But I have 2 bags, you all. I did get some good stuff. It was just like, I don't know, I was feeling a little weird or something for whatever reason. So I just was like, I didn't feel like pulling out my iPhone. So I'll go ahead and jump straight into this haul. I did get some Blistex for my lips. So I know they look crazy, but yeah. I guess this is how my lips will look if I was to get fillers, I guess. I don't know. I did get this here ice tray set. The reason why I purchased this was because I'm starting to drink more iced coffee. So I wanted to grab this because I like the fact that you can make your ice and place it in this here container, because what I usually do is I just use like the ice tray and I'll just you know, crack the ice in the morning and put it in my cup. But I just feel like with this I can make a lot of ice and don't have to worry about, you know, cracking that thing every morning, because I do have an actual ice maker in my freezer, but I like the smaller cubes for my iced coffee, because the cubes that come out of the refrigerator are like those long, like half moon ice. So I like the little smaller cubes. So I feel like with this I can like make a lot of ice, and then all I have to do is use one of my scoopers just to scoop what I need. And this was $9.99. And then I got this, you all. I do have like the smaller versions of these that I purchased off of Amazon, but I did get this at Marshall's. Plan to use this for our almond milk, because almond milk do last a lot longer than regular milk. So I do use almond milk to make smoothies. And of course, you know, the weather has changed, so smoothies will be coming back into my morning routine. And this was $12.99. And I do like the fact that you can put the date on the top. The question is, what type of marker do I use? It looks like one of those whiteboard markers, so I probably would use that. If not, I probably would take a little sticky note and just place it under here, because of course with this you do want to know when your milk is going to expire. That's the only thing. But I thought this was cute. Then if you have a dishwasher, you will understand. I bought these for my not dishwasher. If you have a garbage disposal, you understand my troubles, because every so often I'll get like a smell. So I like to clean out my garbage disposal every so often. I do have some garbage disposal cleaners, little cleaner tablets, but I wanted to purchase some new ones, and these were $4.99, and it do say they are fresh lemon scent. My all-time favorite clear top coat, and it is my favorite top coat, like my favorite. This was hyped on YouTube like years ago, and I remember purchasing mine. I think I purchased mine from the actual website. I forgot where I purchased mine from, but I had to re-up because I needed some. Get my toes done as often because I do them myself, but when I do decide to do my toes, I do like to have a good top coat. My daughter some beauty blenders. She wanted those. Then I got this hair sundress, you all. I thought this was really cute. Like the back out, and it has the front. So here's the front, and then I like how the back is like out. The issue is holding up my boobs, because I have mom boobs, so they're not like perky. So hopefully with me tying the back and pulling these straps, it'll give me what I need without having to put on a bra. And this was $19.99. I think this is by Jessica Simpson. Yeah, I love her clothes and shoes at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. Then I got a makeup eraser. Anytime I see these at TJ Maxx, I always grab these, because this is what I use to take off my makeup. because a lot of times, I don't know, I just don't like using the makeup wipe sometimes. So like I said, I really love these here makeup erasers. And these here, I have one that's not an actual makeup eraser like the brand, but it's like an off brand, and I love that one so much. So when I see the actual brand, which is the makeup eraser brand, I'm like, okay, I gotta get it. Because these here, these we do sell at Sephora, and they are, I think, $20, and this one was $6.99. So you see why I like to stack up on makeup erasers. I feel like with these here, you know, you always want to have backup. My daughter got these here, just the tip. Let's see what they taste like really quick, because she had me buy some junk to go eat. That's probably why I felt a little off today, because only thing I had to eat was a piece of toast and coffee, and I don't know, I just felt like I just felt weird today. It's like a cone with some filled with Belgian white chocolate. Jamaya. That's good. These was $4.99. I got just that's good. Oh my God, you all, I got this from Dollar Tree. Oh my goodness, I am so glad I got this. This feels so good, y'all. With a box. Have a Dollar Tree in y'all area. Oh my goodness. It's so crazy because I wasn't looking for this, but I happened to see it like just sitting in like one of the aisles, and I was like, oh, let me try this. Oh my gosh, it feels so nice. Let me show you what the box look like. Like this. And it was $1.25, and it comes with a charger port, so you don't have to use I don't know, my lips look so dark. You don't have to use batteries for this. Oh, where that stuff at? So you don't have to use batteries, which is a good thing. Okay, anyway, let me move on. Got me some white pants, like jogger pants from the Jessica Simpson line. I was just like, because I just purchased this here. Let me show you. This here shirt from the Gap. I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear this shirt, but I did have this in mind when I purchased these joggers. Here, I was just like, I told her, I said, put these in a separate bag because I don't even want them to get dirty. Like, look how pretty and white they are. Here, these here are joggers. Like, oh my gosh. I'm that type of person. I like to be cute but comfortable at the same time. And here, I could probably wear this here outfit, like the shirt and the pants, and wear my my Golden Goose sneakers. Like, yes, if I want to like amp it up and make it dressy. Or if not, I can throw my Birkenstocks on with that. And if I didn't mention, they were $19.99. And I do like the fact that they have like the drawstring. Moving on to the last bag. Like I said, my daughter had me purchase a lot of like snacks and food. To try this here strawberry green cold brew with matcha. So we got that. And this was $3.99. Get some more seasoning. I got some garlic and onion. Because I love Trader Joe's. I love TJ Maxx and Marshall seasonings, you all. $4.99 for this big thing of seasoning. You know, at Walmart, you know, seasonings can be kind of expensive. My daughter wanted to try this here Shea Moisture foam body wash. Because if y'all don't know, she do have eczema. She has asthma. She has like all of that. It's all connected, like asthma, eczema is like all in the same family. So she do for some reason her eczema has been like really bothering her lately, and she can't really do like fragrance, like scented lotions and things like that. She tried to sometimes, but really she not supposed to. Wanted to try this. I was like, yeah, we can try it. I mean, yeah, you can try it. It says softens and restores skin. It was $4.99, so hopefully it works for her. I got this here big old brown sugar and cinnamon to go with my iced coffee, because I heard a lot of people talk about that shaken brown sugar from Starbucks. So I'm not trying to recreate that particular drink, but I was just like, oh, let's try the brown sugar cinnamon, because I do have the pumpkin spice. And you know, with these, you would never run out of it, especially with me, just the only one drinking coffee. So I was like, I don't want to mix pumpkin because it's not pumpkin season right now. So I was just like, let me grab a new flavor. So I did get the brown sugar cinnamon. Probably last me until the end of time. And this was $6.99. I'm having like the plastic containers and they were a little cheaper. So I don't know if they're just trying to go glass. I wanted a cute container to use for my my syrup. I saw some on Amazon, but I don't know. I wasn't 100% sold. So what I ended up doing was I ended up grabbing this oil and vinegar. So before I put the brown sugar, and cinnamon in here, I was going to probably put water in here to see how it you know, it comes out, because if it's not going to do what I need it to do, I don't need to waste my time with trying to clean it and putting that in here. I have to go online and purchase one because I wanted a cute one. So, and again, I want to see if this can fit over in my coffee station, like the name on the front. So I don't know what I would do with that. And I hate that they put the stickers on the front, because you know, if you know, you know, it's hard to peel that shit off. I do have that, what is it, got to be glue, that yellow stuff that you can use to like rub stickers off. Yeah, that was everything that we got, y'all. My daughter and I, we are planning to bake a cake. I don't know, I just wanted something sweet. We did go to Trader Joe's, y'all. I did look at that. I probably insert a clip of me in Trader Joe's, because I wanted to look into that that shea butter stuff or whatever, that with the pretty pink packaging. I don't know, the candles wasn't like, I wasn't blown away, because that's all they had was the candles. I don't know, I wasn't blown away. So I'm glad I went inside to smell it. Maybe it'll smell different once you burn it, but for me, it didn't smell good enough for me to be like, oh my gosh, I need to buy it. I may still end up buying it, but for right now, I was just like, I'm a pass. So I just ended up, oh, Jemiah, show me that plant. Ended up purchasing this cutie. My daughter going to get it for me. So I got that, and like I said, I got the cake mix. And from, what is it? Trader Joe's. I ended up purchasing this. Like, isn't this cute? So I ended up getting this, and I was just like, so what I plan to do is, if I have some extra dirt out on my patio, because I have like purchased some miracle dirt for my other plants, so I think I have some left. Not 100% sure. I hope I do, because I plan to repot this, because it is in like a little pot, to pull this out and put that new dirt and add it to that to make it really grow. Because y'all, I become a plant mom, and I am in love with plants, y'all. Like, when I tell you I am in love with plants, my plant, I named him Justin, and the other plant was Miss Lucy. Justin came from Walmart, and Miss Lucy came from Trader Joe's, and I think it's been over a year, and it's doing good. Need to go and get some, I should have got some from Dollar Tree, some plant scissor cutters, or is that a thing? Like scissors that you use to cut like the plant pieces that's dead. And notice in the plant that I got from Trader Joe's, it has a few like dead spots, and now the one from Walmart, I'm able to like pull them once they dry out. I can just pull them off, but the one from Trader Joe's, it's a little harder to pull. So that's why I was thinking I may need some flower scissors, if that's a thing. Correct me if I'm wrong, if it's a such thing as flower scissors. So yeah, y'all, that was everything. Like I said, once I get myself back on track, I will be back with filming videos. But like I said, right now, until I get back to Miss Tamika, I'm going to put a pause on my Louis Vuitton videos. I probably pull out my camera to like vlog and do like Sephora hauls, because we will be getting our training products soon. We'll be sharing with you all what I got in my training products. And I wanted to share really quick, you all, if you do not have this here one size waterproof setting spray, I'm telling you, grab you some. It's been sold out for so long. Once they got it in, I grabbed it. Like, I grabbed myself one because I am combination, and this here helps with keeping your makeup in place. I had a lady come in, use this to go to the gym. She said she sweats and do all of that and her makeup don't move. And I was just like, really? Like I said, when I go to the gym, I don't plan to wear makeup. I mean, I do have this powder makeup on, and I probably will wear powder makeup depending on if I'm up to doing anything. Majority of the time I probably just go as is, because look, I ain't looking for nobody and nobody shouldn't be looking for me. Just go as is most of the time. Go ahead and end this here vlog so I can try and edit this video and have it up on Sunday. Hope y'all enjoyed this here vlog, and if y'all did, please give this video a big thumbs up because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be what? Notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later.